Well, this is the 1993 Janitrol heat pump disconnected. As you know, it's been replaced with that Heil packaged heat pump. We're gonna go ahead and get a look at its inner parts here. So we got the compressor. That is a Bristol reciprocating. It's got a metallically stamped in logo right there. There's the lines right there. It's all been snipped. And there's the defrost control board. I'm taking that with me. Contactor, capacitor. Might also take that with me as well. And I guess that's the wiring for the fan assembly. Really old suction accumulator. All rusted out and everything. Not like it matters, it's dead anyway. I was gonna try to take the fan grill off and see about taking the fan blades as well as a souvenir, but obviously this entire piece has to come off in order for me to do that, so I don't really think it's worth it. But yeah, it's got a huge reversing valve. Wish I could have seen it defrosting in the winter, but the board was bad anyway. Even if I was down here in the winter, I wouldn't have seen anything of the such come from this unit. I know this because my uncle reported this unit freezing up to a solid block of ice. Coil's a little damaged right there. I mean, it worked well for almost 30 years. It chugged along and everything. Didn't have any problems until, well, other than the defrost control board, until this leak. I was gonna make this video yesterday, but I got tagged by a yellow jacket while trying to do so. But yeah, this is the last time you'll ever see the 1993 Janitrol heat pump. Guess I'll go ahead and put that back on. Cover that back up. Guess that'll have to do. Oh, it's not gonna stay on, is it? And I think this has an A.O. Smith fan motor. Yeah. Rotates at 1075 RPM. I was hoping to get at least one more video of this unit running, but oh well, at least my grandparents and uncle have comfort now. And the HVAC techs will be hauling this unit away on Monday, so yeah, this is definitely the last time I'm seeing this unit. I guess that'll be it.